0.25 raised to power 0.25 is equal to what? Height. We quickly want to evaluate this math question. Solution. We have 0.25 raised to power 0.25. Note that 0.25 is equal to 25 over 100. Then 25 here 1, 25 here 4. Therefore, 0.25 is equal to 1 over 4. Let's substitute back into the original question. We have 1 over 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Take note of this rule that if you have a over b raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n, and this become 1 raised to power 1 over 4 divided by then 4 raised to power 1 over 4. Now 1 raised to power 1 over 4 is the same thing as 1 over 4 raised to power 1 over 4. And 4 raised to power 1 over 4 can also be written as, we have 1 over 2 square raised to power 1 over 4. Now, if you have a raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n m, then this become 1 divided by 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Then this is equal to 1 over 2 raised to power 1 over 2. Then this is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Now, if you rationalize this, we have 1 over square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 over square root of 2. Then 1 multiplied by root 2. This is equal to root 2 divided by root 2 times root 2, that is 2. Therefore, our final answer is root 2 over 2. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.